yeah! Watermelon?
It sure looks good.
What's wrong?
I'm wearing white. Hello? Unless… Look at that juicy goodness! Mmm, delicious. It's the perfect snack. Juice galore! Which only means one thing. My shirt. Every time. I better pass on the melon.
I guess I'll eat alone then. Potato chips seem pretty safe. Wait! Gimme! Just watch and learn. No need to be scared of a melon. Ta-da! Enter chip can. Just hold and press. Nice! And extract. Anybody order some melon? I've got you covered. Slices are way easier to eat. Not messy at all. See how easy this is? Melon coins! And back in they go. See? Phew! They're all yours.
What? This is awesome!
I thought you'd like it.
There's nothing like a lazy day at the beach. Catch some sun, work on that tan. Hey, is there something under there? Okay, this is getting strange. What is that? This is kind of exciting. Oh, looks like I found my soulmate. What a day. Hey! Watch it! Are you kidding me? You got sand on my blanket! Don't let it ruin your day. Just enjoy the sun. Look out! Again? Ugh, that's it! I'll put these sticks in the sand. And I'll loop this tape around them. My own little private beach. Oops! Sorry. Oh, come on! Another gorgeous day. I better get ready. Huh. What's she doing? I'm glad I brought this bedsheet. That's weird. I'll place it on the sand. Now to weigh it down. My bag can go in this corner. I'll wash the sand off my feet. And dry them on this towel. This is the life. Hey, that's pretty smart. And no more sand on my blanket. Time to go home. I've had a great day. I better pack up all my things. I think that's everything. Home at last! Oh, this lotion is a little sandy. Oh well. Huh? Oh, there's sand everywhere. I need to wash this towel. Oh, my sandals! They're covered with sand! Great. I think I brought the beach back home with me. How is this even possible? Where is this coming from? Wow, that's a lot of sand. At least I can build my own sandcastle. This is so frustrating. There must be a way to stop this happening. Wait, this sand will get all over my bag. What can I do? Oh, I have an idea! My pop-it keychain! This is perfect! I'll clip the keychain to my sandal straps. And then attach it to the zip on my bag. This is a great idea! My bag is sand-free. Ow. Ouch. Excuse me. Oh, this stings. Ooh. My sunburn. Hey, Sky. Look at this. Oh, you look, like a lobster. Let me cool you down. No, that won't work. was that? Better? Oh, I know! I'm in so much pain! This fan will help! Stop! That's just annoying! I thought this would work. I know how to fix this. I used to date a firefighter. Okay. I learned a few things. Are you crazy? No, don't do it! What are you thinking? Please stop. I think I've got it! Don't go anywhere. I just need to get something from the freezer. These ice cubes are just what we need. This has got to work. What's that gonna do? Trust me. This is a great way to ease sunburn. All you need is an ice cube tray and some aloe vera gel. Fill the tray with the aloe gel. Then pop it in the freezer to set. It'll help soothe your sunburn. Try it. Okay, if you're sure. Ow. So much pain. It feels like my skin is on fire. This is actually a great idea. Okay, here goes. That feels so good. It's definitely helping. I told you it would work. It feels better already. Yes! This tastes amazing. Oh, hello. Sky, look over there.
Sup?
Hi. Hey.
Yikes.
He's totally staring at me.
Ugh, that is so gross.
Where's he going? Oh well. So yummy. I know. He is.
Huh?
What's wrong now?
Ooh, that's embarrassing.
Why does this keep happening? My ice cream! I could eat this all day. Delicious. What am I gonna do? Thanks. What a waste of ice cream. Hang on. I've got an idea. I'll take this ice cream and place the stick through the muffin case. This is great! No more mess! Wow! Oh my gosh!
Hey, cutie.
Hey, you! This ice cream is so good! The muffin case is catching it all! Thanks! What a gorgeous hotel! Let's unpack and hit the beach! I can't wait to sunbathe. This shouldn't take long. Wait. Is Lexi ready? I can't even find my bikini. The heat totally messes up my hair. Looking good. Ugh, I better hurry up. Where's my bikini? It must be in here. Come on, let's go. I have a problem. I've only got bikini bottoms. Oh. Is that all? That's not a problem. I did the same. But all you need is some shoelaces. Look! Try it out. That might actually work. Take a pair of bikini bottoms. Flip them upside down. Next, take a shoelace and thread it through the bikini bottom. Once you've done that, place the laces around your neck. Cross the ends over and then thread back through the bottoms. Loop behind your back and tie in a knot. Looks good, right? Are you ready? Ready! Oh, we need one more thing. What now? Here you go! We need to stay cool. Let's go! I can't wait to go diving! Got my goggles. I'm ready! beach! It's not that bad. It's just pain. You can do this. Made it! Now to see all the pretty fishes. I don't look suspicious at all in all this black clothing. Best disguise ever. Oh, what do we have here? Candy, a ball, a phone and money. Jackpot! I'm rich! What a day! Hey! You! That's mine! Stop! Thief! Must swim faster! Huh? Did you say something? You want me to take your candy too? Okay, thanks. Delicious. And now to run! Almost there! No stupid stones! Ouch! Ow! Ugh. She's really taking her time. I'll take the phone as well. And the bag. And the snorkel. Thanks! No! Stop! Get back here! No! My things! They're still here! Phew. This tennis ball could come in handy. First, get a jar. Put some glue on the lid. Stick the tennis ball down onto the lid. Now I can keep my candy, money, and other things safe. Close over the jar. Then bury in the sand. The tennis ball lets me know where my buried treasure is. Perfect! Nothing's gonna ruin this day now. Except these stupid stones.
Ugh! I can't believe how hard it's raining outside. Oh, I'm utterly soaked. And muddy, too. Great, now I'm a total mess. Whoa! Bonkers weather we're having, huh? I'm soaked. Hey, how are your shoes so dry? Oh yeah, they are pretty dry. Let me show you what I did. I took my shoes and then I took a candle. And then I got to rubbing. I made sure the wax just transferred to my shoes. And then I covered all the surfaces. Next up, it was time for the hairdryer. The heat made the wax sink into the fabric. That part was actually kind of fun. And voila! Waterproof shoes! I can't believe that squirrel stole your sandwich. Hey, see that puddle? Give it a try! No, I don't know. It's pretty muddy. Okay, fine. Here I go. Hey, wow! It totally worked just like you said! Haha! This is so amazing! I'll never have wet sneakers again! This level is so difficult. I can't get past it. Can't forget some Cokes. Okay, get packing. What the heck? All of it's still out here. Hey, David! You're supposed to be packing! Get to work! Okay, fine. Where's my backpack? I'm so close to passing this level, though. Just gotta shove this stuff into my backpack. I failed the level. Better finish packing. Hey, are you finished packing yet? Let's go! Sounds good. I'm ready now. This looks like a good spot, right? Yep, let's set up. Picnics are always so fun. Alright, here are the plates, the Cokes, and the spoons. Can't forget those. David, what about the knife? Oh, the knife! I know I packed that. It's not here. Ugh, I can't trust you to do anything right. Wait a second. I've got an idea. A credit card? What are you gonna do with that? Watch this and be amazed. Haha, see? It's working like a knife and cutting through the rind. There we go. The melon's been cut. Wow, that's really impressive, David. This watermelon looks really delicious. What a great way to spend an afternoon.
I'll meet you on the sand in an hour. I better get my stuff together. Here's my tote. What suit should I wear? My new one, of course. How cute is this? I'll put it on there. Can't forget this. And
And I'm off. Oh! Almost forgot my sandals. They're in here somewhere. These won't do. Whose are these? Ooh, no. Ding, ding, ding! They're broken? Look at this disaster! No beach day for me. Can I see that? I know! Take some parchment paper and line up a bunch of straws on top. The more colors, the better. Then fold the paper back over and rub an iron over the top. After a minute or two, lift the paper. Now it's one big piece. But we're not done yet. Trace your foot on paper and cut it out. Then outline it onto the straws. Looks pretty good, right? Now remove the paper and start cutting. The piece you cut becomes a strap. Just put on some hot glue. Check out these cute slides. Let's try them on, shall we? Eva! Like my new shoes? They're custom made. Those are absolutely adorable. After a day of traveling, it's easy to feel more exhausted than ever. Man, I never want to go on an airplane again. I haven't had anything to eat for hours. I wonder if I have any snacks left in here. Is that what I think it is? I guess this could work, but it has a giant hole in it. Hey, an electric water heater. Alright, I know what to do. If you have some instant noodles like these but can't use the cup, put the noodles directly into the electric water heater pitcher. Next, pour in the fresh water. And be sure not to forget the flavor packet. Time to shut the lid and heat things up. After a few minutes, you should have yourself some hot noodles. That smells so good. Let me just get a little situated here. Yes, a whole batch of noodles all for me. Don't have a bowl? No problem. You can eat it right out of the pitcher. Delicious.